And this is where I can finally explain in detail why we use local program tokens in our visit campaign. So as I mentioned earlier on, I'll just move my head here for a second. As I mentioned earlier on, you were probably wondering, hey Tyron, why don't we just manually type in the desired values here instead of using local program tokens? And I said the reason for this was because it facilitates updating of the Smart campaign via API. When you're using the Marketo API, it is not possible to update flow steps with the API. So if we created a new UTM tracking program and we wanted to change all these attribution values within the flow here, we wouldn't be able to do that directly. So the hacky way of doing it and the workaround is we use local program tokens in these change data value flow steps. And then using the API, we are able to update the value of all these local program tokens for our new UTM tracking program. So that's the workaround we had to put in place here. And that's why we use local program tokens in the change data value flow steps, because it allows us to update the attribution values that someone is being assigned using the API. And in case you need a refresher of all of this, I explain that here in this blog post. I explain that here in the Marketo UTM tracking section, just underneath the image of the triggers here. I write this all out.